Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you do remember the things that we have learned in previous lessons. You can always watch that lesson again and then revise those things. Now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn one more color name in Urdu. This is color brown. And in Urdu it is bhura. Bhura. Brown. Bhura. 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 Repeat many times for practice. Alright? Alright, now let's learn to say Tuesday in Urdu. We have already learned to say Monday. Now let's learn to say Tuesday. So, in English we say Tuesday and in Urdu, Mangal. Mangal. Tuesday, Mangal. Mangal. Repeat and practice. Alright? Okay, now let's learn some vocabulary words. So we say name. So in English we say name and in Urdu it is naam. Naam. Then in English we say you. And in Urdu it is aap. Aap. Then in English we say your. Your. And in Urdu it is aapka. Aapka. Now let's repeat all these one more time. In English we say name and in Urdu it is naam. Then in English we say you and in Urdu it is aap. Then in English we say your and in Urdu it is aapka. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, so we ask and say, what is your name? What is your name? And in Urdu it is आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है? What is your name? आपका क्या नाम है? Repeat the sentence many times and practice. Alright, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. I'll meet with you with next lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.